News that several rural communities in Clarendon will finally be getting piped water seems to have pit an MP and councillor from the same political party against each other and put residents in the middle of a fight which has gone viral on social media. TVJ's Krista Campbell has details.
A fight over water. Member of Parliament for Clarendon North Central, Pernell Charles Sr., says he has been fighting for years to bring the commodity to sections of his constituency. Now that ground is being broken for construction to start on pipelines from Mocker Square to Lennon, there seems to be another fight over who is responsible for getting the people the water they've been pleading for over the years. This video going viral showing residents clashing with Councillor for the Mocker Division, Romaine Morris, who argues he has been making representation for the residents to get piped water. The councillor is from the same ruling Jamaica Labour Party as the MP. National Water Commission NWC Water Production Manager Noel Kennedy backs up Mr. Charles' claims that he started the campaign for water since the first of his 4 terms as MP.
Some 17 schools with flush toilet and probably about 3 or 4 with water from the system.
He has been working with me and the Water Commission since 2006 for water for this community. He has in his possession a comprehensive document for not only for Lennon or from Mocker Square to Lennon, but for the entire Mocker area, everywhere in Mocker. That document at the time was costing about $750 million.
Residents in and around the surrounding areas from Mocker Square to Lennon will be getting piped water when the project is finished. But the big beneficiaries are the over 1,000 students at Lennon High School who have been struggling without piped water since the school was built.
We have been harvesting water over a number of years, and due to climate change, we haven't been getting much water. We have to be trucking water sometimes on a daily basis. As for the whole politics of the matter,
there are people on both sides of the fence,
yes, sir, I know,
who are going to get water. This is not Labour right water or PNP water. This is the people's water, and I am the people's representative.
The NWC says the people will have piped water within the next school term. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.